Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson DC29. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson DC29 is losing suction and emitting an unpleasant smell, you're not alone. This issue often arises when the motor or filters become clogged or damaged. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further complications, potentially damaging your vacuum and resulting in costly repairs. To get started on this repair, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and replacement filters and a motor compatible with your Dyson DC29. First, ensure your vacuum is unplugged. Begin by using the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the back panel of the Dyson DC29. Once the screws are out, gently pry the back panel off using the flathead screwdriver. Be careful not to force it, as you don't want to damage any clips. With the back panel removed, you'll see the motor unit. The common issue lies within this component, often due to clogging or wear. To locate the motor, look for the circular part connected to the power supply. Disconnect the cables attached to the motor by gently pulling them out, ensuring you remember where they connect. This step is crucial, as you'll need to reconnect them later. After disconnecting the cables, use your screwdriver to remove the screws securing the motor in place. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the motor out of the unit. If you feel resistance, check for any remaining screws or clips holding it in. When you've extracted the old motor, take your new motor and place it in the same position. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tight but not overly so, to avoid stripping the threads. Reconnect the cables to the motor, matching them to their original positions. After that, it's time to replace the filters. Locate the filter compartment, which is usually at the side of the unit. Remove the old filters and replace them with the new ones. Close the compartment securely. Now, it's time to reassemble the back panel. Carefully align it with the clips and gently push it back into place. Once it's secure, replace the screws to ensure everything is tightly fitted. Finally, plug your Dyson back in and test it. You should notice a significant improvement in suction and no unpleasant smells. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to clean or replace the filters regularly and check the motor for any signs of wear. Keeping your Dyson well maintained will ensure optimal performance and longevity. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.